Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Figma prototype video. First, ensure your Figma prototype is fully interactive and polished. You'll want to test all your flows to confirm they work exactly as intended. This preparation is crucial for a smooth recording process. A well-prepared prototype will save you significant time later and result in a much more professional final video. Now, let's set up your prototype for recording. Navigate to the present mode in Figma by clicking the play icon. Here, you can select the appropriate device frame, like a desktop or mobile phone, to accurately represent your design. Ensure the background color complements your design, providing a clean and professional look for your video. For recording, you'll need a screen recording application. Many operating systems have built-in options, or you can use third-party software. Before you hit record, practice navigating your prototype a few times. This helps ensure your clicks and scrolls are deliberate and smooth, creating a professional and easy-to-follow demonstration for your audience. Aim for a consistent pace. After recording, it's time for some light editing. Use video editing software to trim any awkward pauses or mistakes. You might want to add a short title card at the beginning or end to provide context. Finally, export your video in a widely compatible format, such as MP4, ensuring it's easily viewable across various platforms and devices for your audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.